Alright, it's March 15th. Picked the car up yesterday. Just drove from Viera to Orlando. I'm in park, just pulled in, and the temperature hasn't changed, so I'm willing to bet that the car is not going to start. I'm in park. I'm going to turn the car off. Still in park. Key back in. And car is not starting. As you can see, temperature is 167. I'm in park, so I'm going to move it out into drive. Back into park. It still hasn't changed. Neutral. No drive. Neutral. Again, moving it back to drive. Putting some pressure on it to try to get it to and show again. Take the key out. Key back in. It is not starting. No matter what I'm doing, it is not registering that it's actually in park, or else the temperature would increase to engine temperature. Show one more time. Not starting. Just put the handbrake on. See if that helps. Take it off. Still not registering. And one last time. Not starting. Take the key out. Key back in. As you can see, the temperature is still saying 167, 68, which is the transmission temperature and not the engine temperature, so it is not starting. 757. Not starting. Move a little bit. Nope. One last time. Not starting. So it's now 7:58. We're gonna leave the car for a couple hours and we'll see if it starts when we come back.